Worried that monthly coaching renewals could trigger payment holds or chargebacks? Many business owners face this when clients forget about their subscriptions. But there is an easy way to stay on top of it. Here's a simple method to keep your coaching payments flowing smoothly. By sending clients automatic reminders before each billing cycle, you can reduce the chance of missed payments and disputes. Even with reminders, recurring payments can sometimes trigger processor reviews if your gateway is not designed for subscription handling. That's why EasyPay Direct offers a recurring billing system. It automates renewals safely, supports multiple payment options, and helps minimize disputes and account stress. Features like transaction routing keep your merchant account stable even during high volume billing periods. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. Automate your coaching subscriptions the smart way. Keep payments consistent and accounts secure with EasyPay Direct. Use the link in the description to get started today.